How to add your phone number in the Roblox application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can link your phone number with the Roblox in your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that we will need to do is simply open up your Roblox application by clicking onto the app icon, and once the Roblox application fires up, you will see an interface like this. Now in this interface, as here you can see, since currently I have not added my email address, it is notifying me right here in this particular home tab. But in case this particular prompt does not appear in your screen, then what you can do is simply click onto this more option at the bottom right, and then from here you can scroll down, and once you will scroll down, you can see this setting option. So simply click onto the settings, and under settings you have the first option, that is the account info. So simply click onto this account info, and from here you have this option to link your phone number and email address as well. So you can simply click onto this add phone or add email, then simply type in your mobile number and an OTP will be generated. Simply type in the OTP and your mobile number will be successfully linked with your Roblox account. And the same is for the emails as well. Simply type in the email address and enter the OTP, and your email will be linked with your Roblox account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.